Life is a journey, it's filled with ups and downs, we all face challenges, but it's how we overcome them that defines us. You see, success isn't about being the most talented, it's about never giving up. It's about perseverance. When you fall, you get back up. You learn from your mistakes, and you keep moving forward. That's how dreams are achieved. Think about a seed planted in the ground. It faces darkness and resistance, but it keeps pushing upward. It perseveres, and eventually it breaks through the soil. It reaches for the sunlight. This is like our own journeys. We all have the potential to grow. We just need to keep striving, keep believing. Remember, every successful person has a story. They've faced obstacles and setbacks, but they never gave up on their dreams, and neither should you. Because within you lies the power to overcome any challenge. You have the strength to achieve anything you set your mind to. Let's talk about some amazing individuals, people who turned their struggles into triumphs. Take Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx. She faced rejection after rejection when she first started, but she believed in her idea. She persevered, and today, she's a self-made billionaire. Then there's Michael Jordan, a legend in basketball. He was cut from his high school basketball team. Can you imagine that? But he didn't let that stop him. He practiced harder. He used that rejection as fuel. And the rest, as they say, is history. Let's not forget artists, people like Vincent van Gogh. He only sold one painting during his lifetime. He faced constant rejection, but he kept painting, driven by his passion. Today, his art inspires millions. These stories teach us a powerful lesson. Talent alone isn't enough. It's the grit, the determination, the unwavering belief in oneself that makes all the difference. Think about J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series. Her first book was rejected by 12 different publishers. 12! But she didn't give up. She kept believing in her story. And now, Harry Potter is a global phenomenon. Then there's Steve Jobs, the visionary behind Apple. He was fired from his own company. Can you imagine the sting of that? But he used that experience to learn and grow. He came back stronger and revolutionized the tech industry. And who can forget Walt Disney? He was told he lacked imagination, that his ideas wouldn't sell. But he never stopped believing in the power of dreams. And look at the magical world he created. These icons teach us that setbacks are not the end. They are opportunities for a greater comeback. They are turning points that can lead us to extraordinary success. I've had my own share of challenges. Growing up, I faced poverty and discrimination. But I learned the importance of education. I discovered the power of my own voice. And I never stopped believing in myself. Every obstacle you overcome makes you stronger. Every time you get back up, you prove to yourself that you are capable of amazing things. So keep dreaming big, keep pushing forward, and never ever give up on yourself. Now I want you to share this message. Tell your friends, your family, everyone you know. Let's inspire each other. Let's create a world where everyone believes in their ability to achieve their dreams. Because together we can overcome anything.